Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So within the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through on how to design your thumbnail. Now, thumbnail is a very important thing for YouTubers, most especially for those YouTubers who are just getting started. You should know that thumbnail are things that we shouldn't joke with at all. So, and one of the beautiful way or the best way to look out for a thumbnail that is good is the fact that you follow what works. Don't waste your time trying to bulk your head and trying to think on how to design a thumbnail. Follow people who have already designed a particular thumbnail based on your niche and model what they've done and get that same result. Okay. So let's say for an example now, if you come to my channel here, you will see the way I've really done my own designs, my thumbnails. So you can see that my thumbnails are more consistent. You get it now? Like consistent. Let me click on my channel. And guys, please, if you are yet to subscribe, please, I am begging, do well to hit the subscribe button if you really want to watch more videos. I've done so many videos, up to 67 videos. So if you check this thumbnail well, what do you notice about this thumbnail? These thumbnails are top notch and they are really doing well. So if this is really what you want to watch and you learn, then stick. So for me to teach you this, if you check other ones also, there are some other, you are into the food niche, just check, just type on the niche you are into and see what other people that are in your niche are doing. Not just anyhow people. Check out for big YouTubers. What are the ways they design their thumbnail? Don't use your head and start racking your brain. Saying at the end of the day, you do something that won't work. So people have done that thing you are doing. Why not model what they have done? Get inspiration from what they've done, then you move on and you get the best of the result. Look at how beautiful thumbnails are being designed. The words are not too much. Words on the thumbnail should be 3 to 4 words, and that's all. Don't make your thumbnail be too wordy, too bulky, and the rest. Let the images do much of the work instead of writing so much words on it. Okay, so if that's what you really want to learn, then this video is just for you. So I'll be teaching you this thing using what I call Canva. Canva is actually a canva.com. I'll drop the link in my description below. Just click on that link and you sign up. It's free. You have the free and the premium version. So the free is forever, but if you feel you need a premium version, no problem, you can upgrade. But I'm using the free and the premium. But in this video, I'm going to use the free just to let you know that it works. So you don't have to be a pro version before you could get that same result. Canva with the free version, you could do the same thing the pro people are doing. Virtually almost, if not all. So what you do here without wasting much of our time, come to this search here and type whatever you are trying to design. Okay, type it. And another thing you must put in mind is the fact that you must understand that thumbnails has a particular dimension it follows. So since you are here now, these are the results you have been given. So the next you only want to do here is to see, if you see this pro, only one you see pro, those ones are the ones that you cannot use, but the ones that are not pro, you can go ahead and use them. So for you to see only the free one so that it will not be congested with the free and the pro. So what you do is to come to all filter, click on all filter, then scroll down, you see free. Click on free and click on apply. So it's going to filter all the free thumbnails for you, just for you to pick out from there. So look at, we have 6,868 templates that are free that you can use. Now tell me, what is that thing you are looking for that one of these thumbnail cannot solve for you? So based on your niche, okay, you can just go ahead and use any of these thumbnails. So I'm going to pick one now and show you how you can redesign this thumbnail to the best. So if you look at it well, let's say for an example, you want to do something. I'm trying to see the ones to use. Which one should I use? Which one should I use? I think I saw something looking good. All right. Look at this one here now. I'm going to use this one here. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Click on this place. Okay, this thumbnail is looking good. And once you click on a particular one, one thing, beautiful thing about it will give you things that are suggested, similar thumbnails like that. So tell me what is that thing you are trying to design that you cannot get from this free? You can see now that you're actually not really doing the right thing. That's the reason you're not getting the right result. So I'm going to go with this one here, and after you've done this, you click on this customize this template. We want to customize this template so that you could use it. Click on this. So after you click on that, so it opens up the editor where you need to design. So what we are trying to do here is probably we want to do some twisting. Want to do some twisting so that it makes it unique. So look at the thing they combine here. You see it now. So you can by yourself come here now, unboxing the new revenue. So I can see um, um, best free app, best free. Now I'll close this one, make this one big. Okay, then mobile app. So the idea of uh, thumbnail is just keep it simple. Don't put all the title of your video on thumbnail. Use the title bar where YouTube are provided for you to put your title. Then let the thumbnail be simple. If you make the thumbnail too bulky, it will look noisy. Best free mobile app. You can see it now. Very simple thing. So now for me to make this thing more unique, I just have to come to this place and delete that one. Then I will come to this place. It's no fine, no problem if you feel you want to put your stuff here. Okay. You want to put your image, no problem. But I'm going to remove this and I'm going to come here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 keywords. Okay. Then come to this one here. I want to put something here. I want to put something. So look at what is that thing that's related to what you want to design. The title of your video. So I could say mobile app. So you could see all the results given to me. I've even see what I'm looking for. So okay, that one is pro. Oh my god. The one I even saw that is even beautiful is pro. So but we can still go our way around it. Now if you did not get what you are looking for, this is where you need to come out from this place. Okay, that's the reason why one of the limitation of using free. So go to this website here called Pinterest, and you type mobile app. Click on that. So you could create an account with them. And this one's are giving mobile app template. So I just need So I'm trying to see which one to use exactly. So this is a platform. I could use this one. Could use this one. Or so look at this. This is making more sense. Or I'll come to this one here. I'll click here and do. Can I even save it directly from here? Okay, I can copy it. So copy that and come to this place. So we are just trying to see how we could make this thing very distinct. All these ones here, you could use this one. So use this one. You see it now. Then we change them because you're already having something like, you know why I don't even like this red, this kind of color. Let me change it to black and have something like this. So if you don't like this one, okay, this is making sense. So you could also duplicate this and let's try something else. So I'm going to copy what I paste what I copied, Control V. Now right click and replace it as, you see now. So delete that. See what's happening now. So what am I to do here? I have to come to this place and do shape. All. So I'll pick this one here. Then I will drag it. So I want to actually put, so I'll take it to back, take it again to back. Sorry, I just have to do it this way. Take it again to back, backward. So then other, okay, that's all. So I'll change this one color to, just trying to give it a particular color, change it to, okay. Then the opacity, I will reduce it. So I could just change that, this one back to yellow. Okay, is this thing not making sense? What else do you want? Free best free app. Then come to this place, adjust this, also adjust this. This is how your thumbnail should look simple. You don't have to block your thumbnail with so many things and blah 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 and the rest. All because you are trying to attract people. You don't know, the more you do that, the more you drive them in. Your title should be in the title bar section, not making putting all your title on your thumbnail. Okay, so this is perfect this way. So the next thing you want to do here now, this one also, if you feel this is good for me, I feel this is perfect because I'm having a background that really depicts what I'm trying to say more. So if you want to download this, you click on this share here. Don't worry, you are not sharing, just you're downloading. You can see download here, click on download, and you can see all pages. Okay. Now, because of the animated stuff we use, don't worry, this is animated, but we can change it to image. So then go to download here, then you can switch this to PNG. So if you download it, it will not be moving. So any of this, you could just download now. Then you could click on download, click on download. So the two are downloaded. So let's see them after the download. So after everything, you click on download. I'll open them now. Open them, then I'll see how they look like. And this is it here. I'm going to, because they are two, so it's in zip file. I will extract them. Extract. So these are the files here. Okay, let's open them and see.
Right guys, so this is the second one here we designed, and I really hope this is the best. Yes, I love this. I love the color combination. The image we use at the background is really depicting something that's related to what the topic is about. Okay, so let's look out for the first one we designed. This is the first one we designed here. Please, if you are here to subscribe, do well to hit the subscribe button and like this video for YouTube to show this video to more people. So thank you very much for watching to the very end. I hope you've really learned a whole lot of things on what to consider, what to watch out for when you are trying to design your thumbnail. So go practice everything you've learned here and let me know in the comment section which of these design you do prefer. Okay, use Canva, it is free. Everything we did here are free. You don't have to pay for anything. You can see how I source out for the tools and the rest. Thank you very much and see you again in my next video. Bye.